Sheshagiri Raoji, tell me
Yes, sir.
something about your native place, Raichur.
Sir, Raichur is located in Karnataka,
Hmm.
and it is a famous for thermal electrical production.
Hmm.
And also its nearby district Ballari is there. Hampi is a world heritage. It's find out world heritage Hampi. Vijayanagara, 17th century. It is built by Vijayanagara.
The one special thing you should tell about Raichur.
Sir, Raichur is a
Speciality I want. Yeah.
it is a rich country. Sorry, it is a rich state,
Hmm.
and it is paddy more growing.
As
Paddy.
as on date, Raichur is district headquarter or a state?
Sir, as on date, it is a district headquarter.
Yeah, you are telling state. That's why I asked. Vijayanagaram, that is history, na?
Yes, history. Hampi.
Yeah. Yeah. Raichur, I think Krishna River is there, correct?
Yes, sir. It is Krishna River is there.
Hmm. One more river. Raichur is surrounded by two rivers, I think.
Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra.
Very good. Hmm. Raoji, have you worked in credit department?
Yes, sir. I am working now credit department.
Tell me something about credit process.
Sir, is in credit process. I am handling MSME, overdraft facility.
I am not asking what you are handling. I am telling, tell me something about credit process. What is credit process?
Credit means it is a generated income. It is generated income to the bank is in credit. Loans and lending the loans and advances.
So, what is the basic definition of credit? Like, what all you see in the credit? What are the basic parameters? What do you understand by credit as a banker?
See, I am telling you one small thing. If I am asking the production of toy, okay, what is the process of making the toy? Like that, what is the process of credit?
Okay.
Credit process
Okay.
I am asking. From plastic,
Yes, sir.
plastic is raw material, like that I am asking what is the process, credit process.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
I
you
understand.
tell me.
Sir, in credit process, I handling working capital overdraft facility. If I process, hello.
Sorry, say Raoji, you are not getting our point.
Retail and corporate.
Again and again, I am telling you what is credit process. From where you will start credit.
Where we will start from KYC.
If I am telling, see, listen, yeah.
Open account.
Continue.
Open a account. Customer open a account with CKYC. And CKYC after that valuation, legal opinion. If a salaried person, we have to IT returns, monthly salary statement.
Do you know about personal interview while processing any credit proposal? Have you heard about CIBIL, CRIF, something like that?
Yes. CIBIL.
So then directly why you are jumping on other part?
Sir, in if a customer, we starting from credit, opening a savings account. Open a saving account, we receiving a Aadhaar card, PAN card, and opening a saving account. After that, the customer has approached to as a salary loan. We inquire for CIBIL. Is the CIBIL is more than 650 or below 650 as per criteria? We have to provide the loan. Means we have taken a salary. How much salary is credited? Monthly salary. And after that, we taken documents from the customer, background information, BAR, CKYC, after the processing the loan on the basis of eligible income if a salaried person.
Sheshagiri
Okay.
ji, if you don't have a saving account of a customer, then will you not give loan?
Yes, sir, we will provide the loan.
At that time, what documents you will obtain?
Sir, basic documents, KYC is a compulsory,
Yes.
and different handling. If a person asking for salary, salary loan or vehicle loan or anything, and depends upon the proposal of loan, we take and receive the documents.
You are working in Karnataka Bank, na?
Yes, sir.
Any loan application you have seen till date?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have seen.
What are the things we require in that? For what purpose we are asking?
Yes, sir. In loan application, basic customer name,
That
name
you
of the
should tell, na?
customer.
That only we are asking. KYC, after that directly or jumping on this, that after KYC family details we are asking or not? That is personal interview, his personal interaction with us.
Yes, yes.
Getting our point?
Sir, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Name
Okay.
of the customer. Same.
You are working in Karnataka Bank, na?
Yes, sir.
Karnataka Bank is private bank.
Yes, sir. Private bank.
Now government whole emphasis on privatization. Correct?
Yes.
You want to join SBI now.
Yes, sir.
If in future SBI will be privatized, what you will do?
No, sir. Currently, SBI feel we cannot do anything, sir. It is
Hey, that what my question, my direct question from you. You want to join SBI. Why you want to join SBI? First, you let me know. Basic reason. One simple in one line. I want to know. Tell me.
It is the largest public sector in India among PSU.
Public sector, correct. Now my question is that if SBI will be privatized in future, what you will do? Whether you will be remain with SBI or you will leave SBI?
No, I will remain. I will remain with SBI, sir. We can't leave.
Then what will be the difference between Karnataka Bank and SBI?
But in current situation,
Okay, Vivek ji.
Yeah. So my question to you, like, what all other apart from MSME credit, what other things you are handling right now in the bank?
sir, apart from MSME, handling recovery.
Okay.
And deposits.
And fund transfer like RTGS, NEFT.
Yes. RTGS, NEFT.
So what is the timing for NEFT? Can you tell?
NEFT.
There has been recent change in the timing.
Yes, sir. It is changing now time. Morning 7 o'clock to. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, morning 7 o'clock to night 7:30.
Okay. And what is the minimum amount?
Up to 2 lakh NEFT, more than 2 lakh RTGS.
Okay. So in terms of recovery, can you define the different brackets below NPA? Like for NPA, we know that 90 days plus is NPA. So
Yes,
below
yes,
that,
yes.
there are 3 more
Special mention.
brackets.
Yes, sir. That is special mentioned accounts is there. S1, S2, and S3.
Okay. So what are the DPD parameters?
Sir, in S1, we called for 15 to 30 days. The loan will slip, means the loan arrears will slip from 15 to 30 days. It is called an S1.
Okay.
If if loan arrears will slipping from 31 to 60 days, it is called an S2. And S3, if the loan arrears will slipping from 61 to 90 days, it is called an S3. Special
So what
mention
about
accounts.
0 to 15 days?
Yes,
What about 0 to 15 days?
sir.
So I'm asking, what about 0 to 15
That
days?
is
Like,
called stress account. Stress. Zero to 15 days. It is a stress, real stress, but not defense.
okay. Acha, suppose you got a CIBIL report of a customer
Yes.
and the CIBIL score or the CRIF score is 18. What does it mean?
CRIF.
Yeah, suppose the CRIF report.
Yes,
you are
sir.
processing
It is
loan.
0 to, yeah. In CRIF, 0 to 18 days means the arrears will is pending for more than means below 18 days.
No, I'm asking the score. The CRIF score of the customer is 18. What does it mean?
It means sir, it means the CRIF, it is applicable for only corporate corporate institutions. The CRIF is only applicable. In corporate, they already availed from other institution for credit facilities. The amount will outstanding liability is there. It is shown in CRIF.
You mean
Sheshagiri
CRIF is only
Babuji,
for
now
corporate?
question.
Yes, sir.
You mean CRIF is only for corporate or individual also?
Sir, individual we taken CIBIL, sir.
Is it so?
Yes, sir. CRIF means central repository and large credit. CRILIC, sorry. CRIF means okay. CRILIC, CRIF and CIBIL is the difference. Sir.
You are getting confused. CIBIL, see, CIBIL, CRIF, Experian, these are all different platforms basically for the same region.
Yes.
This is for the credit history of the customer. Okay, so
Yes,
CIBIL,
yes, yes.
CRIF, Experian. Okay, so these are different platforms.
Yes, yes.
See, his
CRILIC,
question was very clear. He doesn't want to define the CRIC CIBIL. He was asking you, if one proposal comes, okay, the borrower, you check the CIBIL or
yes,
CRIF, the score is 18. What does
yes.
it mean?
It means the credit history is no credit history. Minus
18
one,
means
it
no
shows
credit
no
history.
credit. No, sir. No, sir. Minus one is the no credit history.
Boss,
Is
we are
minus
asking if a
low
score is
score.
18.
It is a low score.
It's not low score. You said it rightly. If it is -1, that means the credit history is not there. If it is 18, then it means the credit history is very small. It is very small to judge the customer. Okay, maybe
Yes.
he has taken a loan and it has not yet completed 3 months, 4 month time. Okay, it is
NPA.
less than 6 months. So in that case, the score comes like that. So what is a good CIBIL score as per you?
Sir, more than 650, but as of now, our bank is defines more than 700.
Okay, what is the maximum score? Like 650 out of how much?
Maximum.
Yeah, what is the
800.
highest?
Highest 900 is this, 875. I think in my experience, 840 I will. I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Maximum 900
Okay.
is there.
Okay, no problem. So, yeah, please, Dibyendu ji, और कोई question है आपका?
नहीं, एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन, शेषागिरी जी, डू यू नो हिंदी?
Sir, I don't know, sir, Hindi.
Okay, no issue. Tell me something about provisioning.
Provisioning. If the accounts become NPA, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, we are getting.
We add the interest in provisions balance sheet as a liability side.
Provisional balance sheet.
Yes, sir. Liability side.
You tell me one
Provisions.
account is having security. Second account is having no security
Yes.
at all, but that account is having government guarantee. Getting my point? Government guarantee,
Yeah.
like CGTMSC, NCGTC, wholly covered. You tell
Yeah,
me,
GC. Okay.
yeah, GECL, very good. Yeah, I am asking, one account is having 100% guarantee coverage. Second account is having 75% of security coverage. Okay,
Yeah.
getting my point? But first account is classified under a standard category.
Yes,
Second
yes.
account is classified under substandard category. Now, where provisioning will be more, where provisioning will be less?
%75% what the security is covered is provisions is more.
Sheshagiri Babuji, Sheshagiri Raoji, sorry. I don't want any description. I am asking, one account is having government this thing guarantee. Okay? One account is having fully 75% security. Okay, security means collateral security, I am telling.
Yes.
Okay, first account is in a standard category, second account is in substandard category. Now provisioning will be more. Yeah.
Provisions is more in substandard category.
With 100% government guarantee.
No, sir, with 75% government guarantee.
If it is 100% government guarantee and substandard, what about provisioning? It will be more than a standard category asset, or it will be lesser than a standard category asset?
If more than standard category asset.
It will be more than. Okay. Any other thing?
Sheshagiri, do you know about D1, D2 and D3?
Sir, now I tell S1, S2, that is S1, S2, S3, stress categories.
No, D1, D2, D3 is different thing. S1, S2, S3 is different thing.
D1, D2, D3.
D1, D2, 3 is after when account becomes NPA, then D1,
D2,
D2,
doubtful,
D3.
standard
Yes,
and substandard, doubtful loss asset. Yes.
Yes. What is loss asset?
Loss asset means the asset become loss. We cannot identify.
When an asset become a loss asset?
More than 2 years.
More than 2 years?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Means one account is running for 2 years, it will become loss asset.
No, if account become NPA more than 2 years.
Then what about doubtful?
More than 1 second, sir. Sir, loss asset means more than 3 years. Doubtful is more than 2 years.
Okay, in your resume, you have mentioned about stressed asset. Okay, S1, S2, S3.
Yes.
What are the tools to control these stressed assets?
Tools to control the stress assets. Huh?
Yes.
Means, sir, I can't understand. Means the account become
if any account is under stress, if any account is under stress, you assume that hopefully it will be NPA after 2 to 3 months. Okay.
Yeah.
In 3 months, the account will become NPA.
Yes.
Then what are the tools to control that account that it not slip into the NPA category?
Yes, we given to due notice to customer
No,
and visited the.
customer will not pay. Your visit will
Yes,
pay only.
offered the if any collateral security is offered
Hmm.
by the borrower.
So you will sold after NPA, na?
Yes, sir, but he is
Giving
provide
us what
100%.
value?
Sir, before we will do only thing is tool to control due notice or visited to customer house, but to telephone call.
Don't you think you should know the reason behind it? Why the asset is under stress?
Because we not assess the income of the borrower.
You are not getting my point. I am asking you, don't you think that you should ask the borrower why your business is not running? What is the reason behind it?
Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. In some situation, in business failures, if a business is failure, the borrower will not repay the loan. We visited the borrower unit and asked for why you are not repaying loan. He tells some reasons. We
Okay, Sheshagiri ji, now we can finish the interview. Now feedback time. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah, Vivek ji.
Yeah. So we would like to provide you some qualitative feedback. You can take it positively. I mean, you are still preparing, and there is a lot of time remaining, so you can prepare on that. First and foremost, what you are doing in your current organization, you should be having end-to-end knowledge. Okay, so you are doing MSME credit, but you are lacking somewhere in terms of information, somewhere in terms of nitty-gritties of the credit. Okay, so you should work on that. Whatever you are mentioning in the CV, it has to be you should be having 100% knowledge about that. Okay. uh, and other thing is like why you why you want to join SBI. You should prepare a better answer for that. Okay, just it is a very common answer that it is the largest PSU, that's why I want to join. It is not that satisfactory. Okay, so you should have strong reason to join SBI, because you are in a reputed organization already, and you are having more than 5 years of experience. So after spending 5 years in the current company, you are going to change your job. So you should have solid reasons for that. So that is one. Second is that in terms of current affairs, the basic parameters, like when I asked you about CRIF score and all, you should not get confused. Okay, you should listen to the question properly, understand it, and then jump on the answer. Like, it is not always required to jump on the answer immediately. You can just understand. If you're not understanding, you can ask again the question, and then you can prepare the answer uh, properly, and then you deliver the answer. Okay.
See, Sheshagiri ji,
Okay. Yes, sir.
I think more than 10, 12 cross questions I asked you. You know the reason?
Yes, sir. Means how you get know
See,
about
again,
that?
I am not interviewing. I am telling one thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Cross question why I did this much cross questions, why I asked, you know. Your answer was not clear. First thing. You should be very point to point about any topic. We are asking credit proposal, you are telling saving account opening first. Getting my point? Secondary thing, when we came on privatization, my second question was
Yes.
like that, na? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So, yeah, either you should have basic knowledge about the topic. Otherwise, you can leave the question also. You are having two options, okay? If basic knowledge is there, you can answer the question. Otherwise, you should leave the question. Yes, sir, privatization will be better, or it will be wrong move by government, whatever or your opinion, it should be very much clear. Third thing, yeah, CRIF and CIBIL. Just now, sir also told when we were asking about CRIF score, CIBIL score, you were telling something about acrylic, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So first, whatever you are talking now, you are telling, first think and then reply. Take your own time. Don't reply in hurry burry. Sometimes what happens, without listening the question, you are answering. That happened. We were asking something, you are replying something, again we need to clarify that same, again you are replying. So sometimes now it is irritating also for our interviewer. So these parameters now you should work. Basic knowledge first, secondary thing, current affairs, third thing, before listening, don't reply. First listen the question, then reply properly. Getting?
Okay, getting.
Some positive points also I am telling, you are having knowledge, but you are getting confused. I don't know why. Interview fear or something. This is mock interview. If in mock this much confusion means in final interview, what will happen, God knows. Getting?
Yes.
So now you prepare, and starting body language, boss. Every time in each and every question you are telling, I think, according to my knowledge. What is this? See, you are having knowledge, that's why we have selected you for this interview. Correct?
Yes, sir.
After seeing your CV, after your knowledge testing only, we have selected you for interview. SBI is not going to select all those 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs candidates. They will select only few. Okay?
Okay.
Please work
Okay,
on
sir.
it.
Yes,
And
sir.
lastly, before leaving the platform, okay, tell me, sir,
Okay,
tell us something about interview also. How was it?
Sir, it's a very good, sir. I know about in basically to know how I change my body language and how to first I want to listen about the particular interviewer question to analyze that. I want to prepare myself, and you are also asking a vast knowledge about related interview questions, and also I feeling good, sir. I feeling very good.
कोई और feedback?
And yes, sir, it is very good, and I think it is a great opportunity for me. And you have free mock interview, sir. It is very good
Thank you.
opportunity.
Thank you. I'm asking from panelists, any more feedback?
I think
No, sir, 3 panel members.
I think you are having very good knowledge about banking. You have good experience. You have ample amount of time also left, so you can prepare well. And I think you should be doing much better in the final interview. All the best.
Yes, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, all the best.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You can disconnect.